Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to upload high quality pictures on Facebook, or whenever you try to upload a video or a photo on a Facebook, it will always reduce your video or the quality of your photo, and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application and tap on the three bar icon which is in the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the three bar icon, just tap on settings and privacy which is on the bottom, and inside your settings and privacy just tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find this option which is media. So just tap on this option, and after tapping on media, in the top you can find this option which is video quality, and it says manage your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following options. The first option is optimize, and what it does is it will adjust video to network conditions. So if your network condition is good, then your video quality will be good. If it's bad, then your video quality will be bad. So this is the first option, and the second option is data saver. So what this does is it will use up to 40% less data by reducing your video quality. So basically it will take 40% less data and it will save your data, but it will reduce your video quality. So you can select any one of those options. Just select this first option, and by selecting this first option, now whenever you try to upload a video on Facebook, make sure that you are in a good network condition. So if your network is not high or good, then your video quality might be low. So you have to make sure that your network condition is good. So always keep that on the first option and make sure that your network condition is good, then your video quality will be high. So that's it guys, this is how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.